Want to simplify your payment collections with Billplz? Look no further than Paymattic. This powerful plugin effortlessly integrates with Billplz, allowing you to accept payments smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First, navigate to Payment Gateway from the Paymattic Pro dashboard. See the Billplz tab on the left? Click it, and we're on our way to payment paradise. First, we need to choose between test mode and live mode. Think of test mode as a dress rehearsal, where you can try things out with fake money. Once you're comfortable, switch to live mode to start accepting real payments from your awesome customers. To get your test credentials, log into your Billplz dashboard. From your profile, go to Settings, and there's your Billplz secret key. Copy the secret key and paste it back in Paymattic. Next, we need the collection ID. Go to the billing from here. Then, click on the Create Collection button at the top right. Fill in the title field, accept the rules, and hit Submit. There's your collection ID. Copy and paste it here. Lastly, click the Save Settings button once you're done configuring everything. So, there you have it. With Billplz seamlessly integrated into Paymattic, your online store is set to accept payments effortlessly. Now you can focus on crafting an exceptional website experience while Paymattic takes care of the payment magic behind the scenes.